Channel. So, kahapon, tapos na po tayo guys mag-create ng folder redirection, printer management, user, then naka-obtain na po tayo guys sa ating domain. So this time, we're going to redirect the software to our client or within the domain. First is we're going to create our folder here. We have here the Google. So as you can see guys, we have here two types of Google. So the first one is the application, which is the exe or the executable file. Then we have here the Google or the Microsoft software installer or the Windows installer package. Then we're going to copy this one and create another folder because in Windows Server 2012 R2 we are using the MSI package kasi po ah, hindi po gumagana yung Google XE. So try po natin to go software Google, then we're going to paste this one. Okay? So as you can see guys, here in our client or Windows 10, we don't have Google, 'di ba? Check natin na. We don't have Google here in our client. So this time, we're going to redirect our software papunta sa ating client. So first step is we're going to um, share this one. Of course, we're going to share this one. So in the sharing tab, we're going to tap the sharing. Then advanced sharing muna tayo guys. Then of course, we're going to share the folder, permissions to everyone. Or you can add here is specific names, check names. We have here we're going to copy this one, administrators, then another AD for the built-in accounts, or you can add your specific user, or we can type your user, check names, okay. Done. So here in the server administrator, we're going to full control, then apply, then this one, apply, okay. Then everyone, administrator, server, and users, we're going to apply this one, okay. Apply, then okay. Then sa taas po guys is we're going to share this one to everyone. Add, then read and write, okay. Share this one. Done. Then we're going to copy the path for this folder. Okay, we are done already with our sharing of files for this software, which is the Google. This time, we're going to access the tools for the group policy management. Then, check natin group policy management. We can check here yung ginawa natin kanina na, yung ginawa natin na policy, which is the CSS 12. We have here the CSS 12. Check natin guys. CSS 12. So, as you can see guys, we have here the forest, which is our server.local, our domains. So, our domain is the CSS.local, server.local. Then, we're going to access this one. So, CSS, we're going to edit this one for us to redirect our software in the we have here the two types of configuration, which is the computer configuration and user configuration. We're going to tap the policies for the user configuration, the software, of course. So, dito guys, is yung folder redirection, which is you're going to properties and share the path. So, this time, we're going to have a software installation, which is the Google. Then, we're going to redirect this Google to our client, which is here in the right side. Then we're going to tap the new package. Then we're going to type the IP of our server, which is which is the, Okay, we're going to check our folder, Win software. So, so cannot verify the path is a network location if this package is not available from the network share. So this time we're going to troubleshoot this one. Madali lang po guys. We're going to cancel this one. Then no, you can have no here. Then software, new package. Okay. Then we're going to type this one, or we can have our on-screen keyboard here because the laptop keyboard is not working. 10, 10.10, 10.10.0.10. Then we can add here the two slash for us to check our software deployment. As you can see guys, we are using here the class A IP address. This time we're going to open this one. Okay. All right. So this time we're going to access the software Google, this one, which is our file kanina na share natin within the domain, within the users, within the specific users. We're going to type the software deployment, then we're going to access the open, then this one, which the MSI, the Microsoft Software Installer, the Google, going to tap this one, then okay. So we're going to assign, of course. Okay, so maybe 1 to 3 minutes before po siya mag-deploy, or pwede natin i-close muna. Then we're going to refresh the server para po ma-refresh yung kanyang settings. Then sa refresh, balik tayo doon guys sa ating server manager. Okay. Then access natin ang tools. Then we have here our group policy management. Then we have here our forest, domains, servers, CSS.local, CSS.12. We're going to edit this one. Our policy for the user configuration, the software installation. Then we're going to new patch. Check this one. Okay. So we have already share our Google Chrome. So this time we're going to right click this one, properties. Then we we're going to access the deployment for configuration. In this area, deployment type, we have here assign or publish. So pag sinabi natin assign, we're going to assign this application in a specific user or in a specific domain. Then we have here we're going to tap this one, install this application at login. So once mag-login po yung user, automatic po siya magkakaroon ng Google. So we're going to use the basic only. So this time we're going to apply this in a configuration. Then don't forget to update the policy using the gp update slash force gp update slash force para mag-grab pong policy coming from the server gp update slash force. Okay, dito rin guys sa kabila, pag gp update din kayo para mag-grab ng policy, mag-grab ang policy coming from the server. Okay, gp update para pag gumana yung policy natin, magkakaroon tayo ng Google dito sa ating client. Okay, updating the policies for our Windows Server 2008 R2 configuration, which is the software, sharing of software. Okay, okay. Ulit. CMD, GP update slash first. Na-cancel ko po guys. So, wait mo natin guys dahil meron diyang command na Y or N. Ibig sabihin ng Y, yes. Ang ibig sabihin ng N, no. So, we're going to choose the Y, which is the yes. Okay, so certain policies are enabled that only run during the login. We're going to tap, of course, the yes for this configuration for us, for the user to access the software. Okay, then, okay. X mo natin guys. So, here's our server dashboard. Okay, we're going to log in our user here in our Windows Server 2000. Okay, so the keyboard is not working. I'm going to tap this one. One, two, three, four. Okay. Check natin guys kung meron ng Google. Okay. So, check natin. Welcome, Yudi. So, medyo matagal po guys before natin ma-access yung client because the server already deployed the application software which the Google, kaya po medyo matagal yung load ng client. So, habang check natin muna dito guys. Okay, go. Sakto ba yung printer natin? Welcome, Yudi. Okay. We have already deployed our Google Chrome, our application software. So, we have successfully deployed our software from our group policy management. This okay. So, thank you guys for watching. So, I hope you have learned a lot from our discussion today. Thank you for watching.